Do you know what hurts the most?
What?
You know English, you know the words, you know the meaning, but when it's your turn to speak?
Nothing comes out.
Exactly.
And then your mind says, what if my grammar is wrong?
And that one thought stops you from speaking at all.
If that sounds like you, stay with us.
Because today, we're going to help you speak English confidently without being afraid of grammar. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel.
Welcome back, everyone.
If you've ever stayed silent because you were scared of making grammar mistakes,
This episode is for you.
today we'll talk like two friends.
No pressure.
No difficult rules,
No confusing grammar terms.
just simple English, real examples, and a new way to think about speaking.
And by the end of this episode,
You'll feel lighter
more relaxed.
and much more confident. Real life introduction. Omar, can I ask you something?
Of course.
Have you ever wanted to say something in English, but you stopped yourself?
Oh, many times.
What happened?
I knew what I wanted to say, but then I started thinking, should I say go or went? Do I need has? What if my sentence is wrong? And while I was thinking, the conversation moved on.
That happens to millions of learners.
And it feels terrible.
Because the problem is not vocabulary.
Right.
The problem is fear.
Grammar fear.
Yes,
Grammar fear. So what exactly is grammar fear?
it's when you believe every sentence must be perfect.
And if it isn't perfect,
You feel embarrassed.
and stay quiet.
Exactly.
But native speakers don't always speak perfectly, right?
Not at all.
Really?
Really? Sometimes native speakers stop, repeat, change words, correct themselves.
So mistakes are normal?
Completely normal. Story number 1. The coffee shop moment. Let me tell you a story. A young woman named Sarah moved to the United States. She studied English for years. She understood movies. She read books. She knew grammar. But she was afraid to speak. One day, she went to a coffee shop. The barista asked, "What can I get for you?" Sarah panicked. She wanted to say, "I would like a medium latte with oat milk," but her mind froze. Finally, she said, "Latte, medium, oat milk."
That's it?
That's it.
Was it correct?
Not perfectly.
Did the barista understand?
Immediately.
So communication happened.
Exactly. And Sarah realized something important. You do not need perfect grammar to be understood.
Wow.
That moment changed her confidence. The big truth. Here's the truth. People are listening for meaning, not perfection.
Meaning, not perfection.
Yes, if someone understands your message, you succeeded.
Even if the grammar isn't perfect?
Exactly.
Why do learners overthink so much?
Because in school, many people were taught to fear mistakes.
That's true.
We were corrected constantly. Wrong tense, wrong article, wrong pronunciation.
So speaking started to feel dangerous.
Yes, your brain learned, if I make a mistake, I'll be judged.
And that fear stays with us.
But today, we're changing that story. New belief. Repeat this with me.
Okay.
I want to communicate,
I want to communicate,
not be perfect.
not be perfect.
Mistakes help me improve.
Mistakes help me improve.
Speaking makes me stronger.
Speaking makes me stronger.
Story number 2. The job interview.
Do you have another story?
Yes. A man named Daniel was preparing for a job interview. He was nervous. He wanted every sentence to be perfect. During the interview, he said, "I have 5-year experience."
It should be 5 years of experience, right?
Yes, but the interviewer understood him. Daniel continued speaking confidently. He shared his ideas, his achievements, his goals, and he got the job.
Even with a grammar mistake?
Yes, because confidence matters, communication matters, your ideas matter. Simple speech beats perfect speech. Let's compare 2 sentences. Sentence 1, yesterday I go market. Sentence 2, yesterday I went to the market.
The second one is better.
Yes, but can you understand the first sentence?
Absolutely.
Then communication happened.
That makes me feel better. Beginner fear discussion. Can I be honest?
Always.
Sometimes I feel embarrassed speaking English
Why?
because I think people will laugh.
That fear is very common. But let me ask you something. When someone is learning your language and they make mistakes, do you laugh at them?
No, I respect them.
Exactly. Most people respect effort. They see your courage.
I never thought about it that way.
Speaking a new language is brave. Very brave. Common mistakes section. Let's look at some common mistakes. And remember, mistakes are okay.
I am agree.
Better, I agree.
She go to school.
Better, she goes to school.
He don't like coffee.
Better, he doesn't like coffee.
I am having 2 brothers.
Better, I have 2 brothers.
I didn't went.
Better, I didn't go.
These mistakes are very common.
And completely normal.
Don't build long sentences.
Sometimes I try to say very long sentences.
And then,
I get confused. That's because long sentences create pressure.
so what should I do?
Use short sentences. For example, I went to the store. I bought some fruit. It was expensive, but the quality was good.
Simple and clear.
Exactly. Speaking practice. Repeat after me. Now let's practice. Repeat after me. I can speak English.
I can speak English.
I do not need perfect grammar.
I do not need perfect grammar.
I only need to share my message.
I only need to share my message.
Every mistake helps me learn.
Every mistake helps me learn.
I am becoming more confident every day.
I am becoming more confident every day.
Practical, real-life sentences. Let's practice useful sentences. At a restaurant. I'd like a coffee. Can I see the menu? The food was delicious. At work. I have a question. I need some help. I'll finish this today. Meeting new people. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? What do you do? Everyday conversation. I'm a little tired. That sounds great. I understand.
These are simple but very powerful.
Exactly.
What if I forget a word?
That's normal. Use simple alternatives. For example, if you forget umbrella, say, the thing I use when it rains.
That's smart.
If you forget wallet, say, the place where I keep my money.
So I can explain.
Yes, communication is flexible.
Do I need to be 100% sure before I speak?
No. Use the 70% rule. If you are 70% sure, speak.
Even if I'm not completely certain?
Yes. Confidence grows through action, not waiting.
So basically, my grammar doesn't need to wear a suit and tie every day?
Exactly. Sometimes your grammar can show up in pajamas.
As long as it shows up.
That's what matters. Emotional confidence section. Can I tell you something important?
Please.
Your English does not define your intelligence.
Wow.
If you make mistakes, you are not less smart. You are learning. You are growing. You are trying, and that is something to be proud of.
I think many people need to hear that.
Yes, you are not behind. You are not failing. You are on your journey, one sentence at a time.
Mini daily practice plan. How can we practice confidence every day?
Very simply, Step 1, speak for 2 minutes. Step 2, use only simple sentences. Step 3, don't stop to correct every mistake. Step 4, listen to yourself. Step 5, try again tomorrow.
That feels manageable.
Because confidence grows in small steps. Real-life practice. Let's imagine someone asks, "What did you do today?"
Okay.
How would you answer?
I woke up early. I go to work. I had meeting. I come home.
Great job.
But there were mistakes.
Yes, but I understood everything. That is a success.
That changes everything.
When people correct you,
What if someone corrects my grammar?
say thank you. Then continue speaking.
So I shouldn't feel ashamed?
Not at all. Correction is a gift, not an attack. Confidence affirmations. Repeat after me. My voice matters.
My voice matters.
I am allowed to make mistakes.
I am allowed to make mistakes.
I speak to connect.
I speak to connect.
I am improving every day.
I am improving every day.
Reflective questions. Let me ask you something. What would happen if you stopped waiting for perfect grammar? How many conversations would you have? How many friends would you make? How many opportunities would open?
Probably a lot more.
Exactly. Motivational moment. One day, you'll speak English naturally. You'll tell stories. You'll laugh. You'll express your feelings. And you'll remember these days when you were afraid, and you'll smile because you kept going.
That's beautiful.
And true. Final practice. Say this with confidence. I can speak English confidently.
I can speak English confidently.
I do not fear grammar.
I do not fear grammar.
I focus on communication.
I focus on communication.
I am ready to speak.
I am ready to speak.
Today, we learned something powerful. Grammar is important, but fear is the real problem.
And confidence grows when we speak,
Even with mistakes.
especially with mistakes.
So, the next time you want to say something in English,
Don't wait for perfection.
just speak.
Your message matters,
Your voice matters.
and we believe in you.
If this episode helped you feel more confident,
Please like the video
subscribe to the channel.
and share this with a friend who is afraid to speak English.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
Keep practicing,
Keep speaking.
keep believing in yourself.
And remember, you do not need perfect grammar.
To speak beautiful English.
See you in the next episode.
Take care.